somebody hit, they went through the gate and they hit, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. Apparently the guy was coming down I-95 straight down. I don't know how fast he was going, but he cut down the middle. He ended up hitting a shrub here, which lifted him up. All you see in the video is like a big pile of smoke. Looks like a big bomb went off. Oh, it's bad. It's really bad. The city came up with the gate up already, but it's bad. Either way, it's bad. All right, I'll see you when you get here. So you're gonna move this one?
Yeah, we'll just slide this one over towards the white car.
Okay.
Then I can pull the Z, then I can easily pull the truck.
All right, and then later on we'll take care of the other ones.
Okay.
All right. Oh, we're cleaning up some of the mess. We're gonna start sweeping up the floors and stuff so we don't pop any more tires. We're gonna get some of these cars over there to the mechanic area, see what we can do with them. But every time you turn around, it's more and more crap on the floor, you know, and we're seeing more and more damage as we go along. We're getting there. We'll see what happens today.
I got a regular showing up today. I've traded with him quite a few times. He don't like regular cars. He likes unusual cars.
Today I'm looking to get something ridiculous. Something that's maybe chopped up, you know, a hot rod, no hood, engine out in the open, something that you don't see on a daily basis.
My cars all sell. I don't want just pristine, perfect cars. I want ugly cars too, because some people like ugly cars. I'm gonna show Austin the ugliest cars I have, the weirdest cars I have, because a regular car he won't even look at.
Ted's advice doesn't really matter on this deal. It depends on what my pup thinks. What she says goes. If she likes the car, I'm getting it.
Hey Austin, how you doing, brother?
Hey Ted, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, man.
Hello, pup.
That's Lily.
Is that Lily? Oh, girl. I heard you want to see me. You know your way around. You don't need me.
I do. I'm trying to find something a little crazier than the usual.
Well, you came to the right place. I got this.
Come on, Lily.
How about this bad boy? I just bought it. Model A coupe.
I like this. It's crazy, but it's not insane. I want something insane, Ted.
48 International.
Not bad. I do like it a lot, but I just had a truck.
I'm saving one. I got one in my brain for you. You like my Merc?
Yeah, I like the Merc.
Suicide doors, too.
Suicide doors, okay.
You want insane?
Yeah.
How you like my taxi? Sitting up on like 26s or something?
26 is not my style. I'm a little disappointed. It's not going well. He showed me a lot of crazy cars, but nothing insane yet. I like the hot rods he showed me. I like the Cadillac fins. If he has something that wraps that all up together, we might have a deal.
I've showed him fins, fire, flames, rat rods, everything, but I haven't showed him the one I think he's gonna buy. If Austin doesn't go for this car, I'm out. I'm going back in my office and I'm done. I'm bringing you to the right car now. I'm bringing you to insanity.
Okay.
Look.
Damn. Are those 61 Cadillac fins?
Exactly.
I'm liking that.
You know, the 61's like this. The 62 is only about that big.
So how much is this thing?
18 and a half will make you laugh.
18
now,
and a half?
you got to understand, you can't build this for that. You know what goes into making a car.
I believe it.
And it's one of one.
What do you think, Lily? You like it? Looks like Lily likes it.
Lily, this has to do with you. 18.5 is my price. You bought 6 or 7 from me before. 17.5 and you own it.
17.5?
That's it.
Deal.
Done.
Thanks, Ted.
Congratulations, Lily. You just helped me get a sale done. Normally, I don't like working with 2 people.
I think me and Lily are gonna enjoy taking this to South Beach. I didn't think Ted would be able to do it, but once again, he made it happen.
That was a clown car, and I moved it. It's fun to be right.
This car has everything I was looking for. Money wasn't really an issue, it was more of what Lily liked.
The dog jumping in closed the deal. Oh, Lily helped me, not him. He'll either sell it himself, make money, or bring it back and trade it with me. Either one's good.
We just got the cars back here, so now I'm gonna get the mechanic over here, take a look at the cars, and you know, let's figure out what's wrong with them, if they're even fixable, or if we can take anything out of them or what. Howard, what are we gonna do with this thing?
Oh, man. Give me like 15, 20 minutes and I have it running.
You know, Howard and I looked at the cars in reference to damages and the amount of money it's gonna cost to fix these cars.
If you look at it, the engine shifted a little bit, so the mounts is probably damaged. I think we should take this apart, salvage the rest, take the motor out and keep all the good parts.
They're destroyed. I think they're way too far to spend that much money on any of them. You know, if anything, salvage them for some parts and see what we can get out of them. Let me talk to Ted. I'll just let him know that Robert wants to rebuild it. He'll cut it up quick.
All right.
About 2 weeks ago, I got in contact with one salvage company. They agreed they were gonna come pick it up. It's been 2 weeks. I'm trying to figure out what's going on and why they're taking so long. Hey, what's up, bro? It's Marcus here from Southeast Classics. You told me last week you were gonna stop by and finish picking up the cars. I've been chasing another salvage company for a while now. I finally found one that might be able to take them, no problems. The issue that you have with when you have accidents like this, since we are a dealer, they want to charge you for removing them from the property. Some people want to pay you for them, but then they don't want to pay you much of anything, so sometimes it's better just to get it out of here right away. When people want to pay you for them, they take a little bit longer and they want to offer you nothing, and you're pretty much storing them till they're ready for them. Ted and Robin want them out. We got too much stuff going on. If you're not here today, I'll get somebody else. It's 5 cars. It's not 1 car. It's not 2 cars. It's 5 cars.
Okay. All right. We'll have someone else.
All right. Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Marcus has really stepped up his game. He's helped a lot. He got it all cleaned up. He got it all taken care of. He moved everything. Did a hell of a job. Thank God those busted cars are gone. Good general manager, bad taste in shirts.